Hey, this is Shane Tracy, broker of Good to Go Realty. Today we're in the Sagebrooke community. The home before us is built by Meritage Homes. The address is 11527 Sagebrooke Run. This home is available now, and we're in the Northside Independent School District. This is the San Saba floor plan. 1,616 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 full bath, 2 car garage, 1 story. Again, this home is available now. Meritage Homes is offering special financing and incentives in this community, so that is great to hear. And this is part of their Premier Series. And even on top of all of that, we're at a 1.854% property tax rate, which is absolutely fantastic for the San Antonio area. So let's go ahead and check out what is in store here. See the nice front porch you can relax on. It's got a 8-foot entry door. Inside you'll see the tall ceilings throughout. Got the ceramic tile floor that has the wood look, and this would be an office/study with a glass French doors. All right, right to the left is our kitchen. Got the area for the refrigerator. It's nice to have the cabinets above. And the appliances are not in at this point, but there's a place should be for a microwave, your stove, and then of course your dishwasher. It's a 50/50 stainless steel sink there. And this would be your dining area right here, and your living area right here. Get another vantage point here. See, the island has a set up so you can use it for an eating area also. The pantry here. It's a secondary bedroom. Double door closet, very wide closet. You're going to find carpet in all the bedrooms. It's the other secondary bedroom. You can have the hall bath here. It's got a single vanity with a tub shower combo, tile surround. Of course, you got a ceramic tile floor. You have a linen closet here. And the far back, you're going to have the laundry room. Another coat closet. And the primary suite here. You'll see the bump out here, the bay window area. This is really fantastic to have in your house. Gives you a lot more room. Primary bathroom has a dual vanity right here. Large shower. Large closet. And the primary closet. Quite a bit of shelving here. Let's check out the backyard here. A covered back patio, quite deep. And your spacious backyard. Again, this home is available, and this is Shane Tracy, broker of Good to Go Realty. In the description of this video, you'll find a phone number that you can text or call if you have any questions, concerns, comments. And for those that want to find out more about the home buying process, I am here. My team and I are here to walk you through each and every step to home ownership. Have a great day.